Welcome students. Today we will start phase retardation plates. Phase retardation plates. You are aware of phase difference and path difference. Retardation means अवरोध. Plate means plate or anything sheet. We are studying the polarization of light. It is concerned with crystals. तो क्रिस्टल्स में फेज और पाथ डिफरेंस कैसे करते हैं उसके बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। इसके पहले एक थोड़ा सा छोटा बेसिक हम देते हैं इंटरमीडिएट का, ऑप्टिक्स का, उसका यहाँ पर यूज होगा, इसलिए हम थोड़ा सा ब्रशअप कर रहे हैं उस फॉर्मूला को। वो क्या है कि कोई भी वेव होता है ट्रांसवर्स वेव, तो ट्रांसवर्स वेव को हम लोग इस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। ये ट्रांसवर्स वेव हो गया। एक कंप्लीट साइकिल में जो डिस्टेंस होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड वेवलेंथ लैम्डा। ये कहलाता है एम्पलीट्यूड। आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग इन शॉर्ट। इससे स्पष्ट है ये कहा हुआ है जीरो फेज, दिस इज 2 पाई फेज, दिस इज 4 पाई फेज एंड सो ऑन। These are phase points. This is amplitude and distance traveled in complete cycle is called wavelength lambda of light. From this figure, it is clear that when path difference, for path difference we will use PD. P for path, D for difference. When path difference is lambda, then phase difference equal to 2 pi. It is clear from the figure. When path difference is lambda, then phase difference is 2 pi. So when path difference is 1, then phase difference क्या हो जाएगा? Phase difference equal to 2 pi by lambda. Hence, when path difference is x, then phase difference equal to 2 pi by lambda into x. So we got a formula, well-known formula, that therefore phase difference is equal to 2 pi by lambda into path difference. This is the formula, and we will use this formula for phase retardation plates. We will use this formula for phase retardation plates. Now, what is phase retardation plate? It is a plate cut from a doubly refracting uniaxial crystal with its optic axis. From now, for optic axis, we will write OA. O for optic, A for axis. Parallel to the refracting faces, it can introduce a given phase difference between O and E rays which travel through it. So this retardation plates introduce a phase difference between O ray and E ray which travel through it. Since the phase difference denoted by delta is equal to 2 pi by lambda d mu naught minus mu e. Before we have we wrote the result that path difference is d mu naught minus mu. What is d mu naught mu e? Everything is written before. Let it be equation 1, where lambda is wavelength of light, d is thickness of the plate, mu naught mu e are refractive index of the material for O ray and E ray respectively. This relation 1 shows that for a given material and wavelength, the phase difference is proportional to the thickness of the plate. It is clear from the formula. And two main types of retardation plates are, we have to know the two retardation plates. Number one, quarter wave plate, and number two, half wave plate. Quarter means 1/4, half means 1/2. और इसी तरह का देखोगे प्रॉपर्टीज इसके डिफिनीशन में है। अब दोनों को एक एक करके हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। पहले हम लोग क्वार्टर वेव प्लेट के बारे में जानेंगे। इट इज रिटन इन योर सिलेबस। क्वार्टर ये सब चीजें शॉर्ट टाइप ऑफ नोट्स में जनरली पूछे जाते हैं। क्वार्टर वेव प्लेट क्या है? इट इज ए crystal plate of a doubly refracting material of a uniaxial crystal cut with its optic axis. OA means optic axis parallel to refracting faces. It can produce a phase, इसका property होता है, it can produce a phase difference of pi/2. You can say phase difference pi/2 means, or a path difference of λ/4. Both the statement have the same meaning. One in phase difference, another is in path difference between the O ray and the E ray when a monochromatic plane polarized light, PPL means plane polarized light, of wavelength lambda is incident normal to the surface. As light is incident normal to the optic axis, the E ray and O ray, or you can say E and O components, travel in same direction with different velocities. ये property होता है uniaxial crystal का. In calcite, which is a negative crystal, the velocity of E ray is greater than the velocity of O ray. और हम लोग जानते हैं कि जिसका velocity ज्यादा होता है उसका refractive index कम होता है. Is it right? तो velocity of E ray is greater than velocity of O ray. Hence, refractive index of O ray will be greater than refractive index of E ray. Mu O is greater than mu E. If D is the thickness of the crystal, then the potential difference, path difference. Here PD means path difference. Then the path difference between the two components on coming out will be D mu naught minus mu E. Hence, to produce a path difference of λ/4, to produce a path difference of λ/4, we have this path difference d mu naught minus mu e must be equal to λ/4. Now come to this place. It is written. You have to write. So since here there is no place to write, so I have written here. Therefore, d mu naught minus mu e equal to λ/4. So it is very simple. Therefore, d is equal to λ/4 mu naught minus mu e. Let it be equation 2. Now for quartz, that is a positive crystal. Mu e is greater than mu o. Therefore, thickness d is λ/4 mu e minus mu o. Let it be equation 3. As thickness depends upon wavelength, it is useful only for the wavelength for which it is constructed. For different wavelength, the plates are different. It is called quarter wave plate. Why it is called quarter wave plate? Because it produces a path difference, 1/4 of wavelength, as its name implies. That is λ/4 between O ray and E ray. Hence, it is also called λ/4 plate. You can call it quarter wave plate or λ/4 plate. Why? The reason is described here. A quarter wave plate is used for the production and detection of circularly polarized light in conjunction with Nikoff prism. This plate is kept in between two Nicol prism. This will be studied on the topic of production and detection of plane polarized light, circularly polarized light and elliptically polarized light. Now we will know about the half wave plate. इसका काम भी वही है जैसा इसका नाम है. क्या है? This plate is made from doubly refracting uniaxial crystal of calcite or quartz with its refracting faces cut parallel to optic axis. OA means optic axis. The thickness D of this plate is such that it introduces a phase difference of pi, and in terms of path difference, what will be it? Or a path difference of lambda by 2 between O and E rays in passing through when light is incident normally on the face of crystal. And for negative crystal, the thickness of half wave plate D is equal to lambda by 2 mu O minus mu E. Let it be equation 1. And for negative crystal, thickness D is lambda by 2 mu E minus mu naught. Let it be equation number 2. It is also called lambda by 2 plate because it produces a path difference of half the wavelength of light. So it is also called lambda by 2 plate. Quarter wave plates or half wave plates are usually made of thin sheets of split mica or of quartz cut parallel to optic axis. The thickness of half wave plate can be calculated from relation 1 and 2, and thickness of quarter wave plate can be calculated by equation 2 and 3 explained before this respectively, using the values of mu E and mu O for sodium light of wavelength 5893 angstrom. Is it right? And the thickness, if we calculate or when it is manufactured, or if you use this in the laboratory, the thickness of half wave plate and quarter wave plate is of the order of 10 to the power minus 4 to 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Means its thickness lies between 1/10 of 1 millimeter to 1 micrometer. Very thin. Is it right? If you come to the laboratory, you can see the quarter wave plate and half wave plate. These two retardation plates are used for the production and detection of plane polarized light, circularly polarized light and elliptically polarized light. This is all about our today's class. In our next lecture, we will study production and detection of circularly polarized light, elliptically polarized light and plane polarized light. Thank you very much.